We're getting close to completing the framing for the studio. The next section we're going to construct is a bridging point between the inside and outside of the roof. All the rafters lay across the two walls, except for this point here. We're actually putting blocks that are twice the length, where the outside and the inside wall have a kind of hinge point. I'm installing these blocks the same way we've installed all the blocks on our roof frame, which is to have a piece of timber on the top of the block screwed in temporarily, so we can easily and efficiently set the top of the block to match the roof plane of the rest of the framing. The other rafters in our roof frame have to span from the low wall to the high wall, but this rafter lays along a supporting wall. So that's part of the reason why I've chose to frame it this way. With the framing complete for the transition from the inside to the outside of the studio.
You come and go like a monsoon